How you doing, Carlos?
Hey,
Yeah, good. Carlos with Pragma Stone, and he's a fabricator for natural stone here in Santa Ana, California. And he has called us in to do some dustless blasting to restore this equipment. So tell us, what is this equipment that we're recording?
Okay, this is our bridge saw, which is a steel table. In order to fabricate, we put the material on the table, and we use, of course, water in order to cut the stone. With the process and time, the rust we accumulated in the machine, and then it's a expensive machine, and we need to restore the condition. What is the approximate cost of a brand new one? These things cost with this setup here. The new one, it could be $80,000. $80,000, and the rust is starting to deteriorate and ruin it. So what we're attempting to do is to get the rust off and to preserve it so you can have many, many years of machine. That's it. They just continue to work.
Yeah, awesome. Well, we're looking forward to it, and thanks for giving us this opportunity.
No, thank you for coming.
All right. Cool.
Everything good.
All right, thanks. The Dustless Blaster is going to remove layers upon layers of flaking rust, paint, grime, oils, sludge. It will clean hoses and pipes and valves, fittings. It will clean the motor housing, we'll clean the base and bolts and nuts and screws, removing layers of rust. Dustless blasting fine glass will not ruin pumps or hoses. Dustless blasting is so powerful, yes, it'll remove 1/8 inch of rust. After removing layers of rust, this bridge saw is going to be ready for primer and paint. Every corner, every hinge, inside and out, will be cleaned and ready for primer. We have finished the blasting after about 5 hours now, and we removed several layers of rust. We removed paint, rust. It was pretty pitted. It was pretty damaged once we got past that. What do you think? What do you think of this process and how did it look in the end?
No, it is amazing. I mean, we never thought that would be that good at this moment. It's ready to finish it, and we hope that it will last for several years.
Well, yeah, absolutely. Yeah. And so, Juan, you were telling me that you guys tried a couple things to get all this rust off earlier. What did you try, and how did it work?
We tried to sand it with sandpaper. We tried with wire brush, but probably we never do it like you do it. I'm really impressed with you.
Oh, that's great. Well, thanks. And so are we. It was turned out really successful, and just another use of using our Dustless Blaster and we really appreciate you guys'
Yeah, we
business.
definitely recommend it.
Cool. Oh, thank you. Awesome.
Yeah, that was amazing. It was really, really good.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank
Thanks
you so
again.
much.
All right. Thank you very much. Okay, guys. Have a
Thank
great
you,
day.
guys.
Okay.